It's All You Can Vegas. Hey everybody, it's Derek and I'm here at Gordon Ramsay Burger at Planet Hollywood in Las Vegas. So of course at Gordon Ramsay Burger, it's all about the burgers. They've got the Hell's Kitchen burger, the backyard burger, the crispy cherry pepper chicken burger. But the most expensive burger on the menu is the truffle burger. It's $25.99, $25.99 for a burger. Really curious how that tastes.
As soon as you get a drink in front of you, then you're welcome to take them off immediately. I don't know the difference. Just work here.
Okay. Okay, so we have to have our masks on before the drinks come. As soon as the drinks come, we're good to go.
Yeah,
right? Okay.
It's going to be a little bit different in most places that you go.
Okay, thank you. And you said that the doneness of the medium is a little more red all the way through.
It's a solid pink all the way through. It's going to be similar to a steakhouse, to where the like a rare is going to be cool to the touch, bright red all the way through.
Okay.
Medium rare, warm to the touch, still red, and then medium's going to be pink all the way through.
Okay, then I want to get the Forest Burger, but I definitely like to get that well done.
Well done, no pity.
Thank you.
It's still basically with Devonshire butter. It's a very rich butter, adds a lot of flavors, it'll still be juicy.
Perfect, thank you. Okay, so I'm getting the Forest Burger. It comes with the mushrooms. It sounds like it's going to be a veggie burger, but it's not. It's a real beef burger, but you can actually, it says you can substitute a vegetarian plant-based burger for an additional $6. Now you're getting the truffle burger, and I'm going to try it, but I definitely am... I'm pretty sure I can't eat an entire truffle burger because I don't like truffles.
I do. I love that.
To me, truffles kind of taste like, I don't know, death. All right, so these are the Kettle chip nachos. It's short rib, corned beef, sour cream, and English cheddar cheese sauce. Now, you said we can take our masks off when we get our waters, but we didn't get those yet. But we have our food, so not sure. I guess we can take our masks off since we have food.
I think it's actively eating or drinking.
Actively eating or drinking. All right, here we go.
That's the phrase.
Oh yeah. You can taste that short rib for sure. Oh wow. These are incredible. There is a lot of meat here too. Nice meat.
Oh my god, it's really good.
Right? Like succulent meat, right? Mm-hmm. Just, oh my god.
I think the vegetables are a little like pickled, like a pickled onion. Ooh, that's really, definitely get these. These are like really good house-made chips. Yeah. And you can tell that they're house-made. It tastes really fresh.
Yeah. Ooh. Just look at this short rib. I mean, that is just amazing.
Good work.
Yeah, the chips stay crunchy, which is what I enjoy. Like with a regular chip, they would get soggy by now.
Right.
Kettle chips, I mean, bacon being so overly crunchy, it just doesn't adhere to the cheese.
No.
That definitely adheres to the cheese and the meat. Oh, thank you very much. Yes.
Truffle burger, truffle butter, egg, and croissant.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Oh, that is the truffle burger. This is the most expensive burger at Gordon Ramsay Burger. And oh my god, I can smell the truffles. Oh my god, the truffles I can smell from here.
Oh, I can smell them. They smell wonderful.
The thing about truffles is, if you've ever smelled truffles, you know what I mean. But I do have a mushroom burger here, the Forest Burger, that looks quite nice. Full of mushrooms, you can see in there. But I am here to try the truffle burger. It's the most expensive burger at Gordon Ramsay Burger. Let's take a closer look at the most expensive burger at Gordon Ramsay Burger. This is the truffle burger. It's got Tremor cheese, bacon, truffle butter, Here's a pickled shallot, fried egg, and a truffle aioli. All right, I'm just gonna try it because my truffle burger. Almost thought I liked it. I don't like it. Luckily, I have a whole nother burger right here. All right.
I'm so excited. I love truffles.
Right. You're definitely more of a truffle lover than I am.
Oh, I am.
I don't believe you.
How dare you? It doesn't have enough truffles for me.
Yeah.
It needs more.
Oh, no.
I love it. That's fantastic. And it's medium well. It's almost more like a well done.
Oh, yeah. Because I asked for my well done because, you know, it's, I was concerned that it was going to be a little too pink. All right. Now, this is looking pretty good. This mushroom burger, and there's bacon too. So you got bacon, mushrooms, and the meat. That's a nice big looking patty right here. And cheese. There's supposed to be some cheese on there somewhere. Maybe, I don't know. Oh, there it is. Maybe down in here. There's the cheese. All right, the Forest Burger, the Gordon Ramsay Forest Burger. Tremor cheese, forest mushrooms, arugula, and duck bacon. Duck bacon.
Well done. No pink at all. Below that, pink at all. So a little bit of pink around the
Well done, but still very, very juicy and flavorful. But really, the pronounced flavor is this bacon, the duck bacon. It almost tastes, it tastes a little funky. Maybe I still have truffle in my mouth. Or maybe it's the duck bacon. I don't know. Or maybe it's the arugula. It's kind of a bitter green. It's not typical on a burger, but it's, there's a lot of different flavors going on here. This is definitely a really good burger. So choose carefully when you choose your burgers here at Gordon Ramsay Burger. I mean, if you like truffles, that's the one to get. But if you like mushrooms, I'd say this is the one to get. And if you like cheese, they have an ultimate cheeseburger here on the menu. I got that in my first video I made here at Gordon Ramsay Burger. You click that link right up there and check out that video, the ultimate cheeseburger. We gotta try the sticky toffee pudding ice cream sandwich. And I think I'd also like to try the pecan shake, caramel pecan shake. I'll get those both started. Thank you.
Alright guys, I have our sticky toffee pudding, our caramel pecan shake.
Thank you. All right, this is the brown butter caramel pecan shake. And this is the sticky toffee pudding ice cream sandwich. Now, Gordon Ramsay is famous for having a variation of sticky toffee pudding on every menu at every one of his restaurants here in Las Vegas. And this is the variation here at Gordon Ramsay Burger. It's sticky toffee pudding ice cream sandwich. And this is the brown butter caramel pecan shake. All right, we gotta start with a sticky toffee pudding ice cream sandwich. Oh yes, it's just so, I can feel how thick it all is right there. Oh yeah. Again, it's a different variation of the other type of sticky toffee puddings that he has at his restaurants, like a Gordon Ramsay steak or at his pub at Caesar's Palace. Well, it's another winner. They're all winners. I mean, sticky toffee pudding is a winner. So Gordon Ramsay Burger at Planet Hollywood, Las Vegas. If you're looking for some unusual burgers, unique burgers, or expensive burgers, this is the place to find them. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about Gordon Ramsay Burger. And be sure to subscribe for more because there's always more to eat when it's all you can Vegas. It's a great place to find new music, too.